We're looking here at an 18th century folding engraved map of the Harbour of Cork on the coast of Ireland. It's a Scarce map that appeared in 1782, published in London for the Political magazine. As we can see, it's a nicely engraved and well-detailed map with various features such as forts and here's a monk's castle, giant stairs, John's fort, here's another fort, here's Roche's tower, Porthead, and so on, sounding depths, identification of shoals, here's the fleur-de-lis pointing north in this direction like so. This map was issued like this, folded into this periodical here, which we have. It appears to be textually more or less complete, I believe. It's difficult to tell with periodicals of this era, but it sure looks like it. And so there are some loose pages and so on, which is trivial and of no significance, given that this was a periodical that was at one point bound into a larger volume, and here survives as we see it. And this extensive commentary covers many political topics of the day, including references to the American Revolution in the colony, so-called colony, former colonies of Great Britain. And this is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.